A blinking blue light on your Anker charger is a signal that something needs attention. Unlike a solid blue light, which indicates normal charging, the blinking pattern tells you there's an issue that needs to be resolved. The blinking blue light appears as a pulsing indicator on your charger. This visual signal is designed to alert you to various potential issues with the charging process. There are several common reasons why your Anker charger might display a blinking blue light. Let's examine each of these causes to help you identify what might be happening with your device. The most common cause is a connection fault between your charger and device. This happens when the electrical connection isn't properly established, preventing normal charging from occurring. For wireless chargers, foreign objects like coins, keys, or other metal items can interfere with the charging field. The charger detects these objects and blinks as a safety measure to prevent overheating or damage. Misalignment occurs when your device isn't properly centered on the charging pad. Wireless chargers require precise positioning to create an effective charging field between the charger and your device. Beyond physical connection problems, blinking blue lights can also indicate power-related or technical issues with your charger or the connected device. An incompatible AC adapter that doesn't provide enough power can cause blinking. Many Anker wireless chargers require at least 30 watts from a power delivery adapter. Overheating protection also triggers blinking when temperatures become unsafe. For Anker power banks, blinking blue lights have a different meaning. They typically indicate either a critically low battery that needs charging or show the charging progress as the power bank fills up. Remember the key difference. A blinking blue light indicates a problem that needs your attention, while a solid blue light means everything is working normally with a secure connection and proper charging in progress. Now let's walk through the systematic troubleshooting steps to fix your blinking blue light issue. First, perform these physical checks. Remove any foreign objects like coins or keys from the charging pad and ensure your device is properly centered and aligned. Next, check your hardware components. Inspect and replace the cable and adapter if needed. For MagGo chargers, ensure you're using a power delivery adapter with at least 30 watts output. Now perform device and software checks. Restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. For power banks, try resetting by connecting one port to another with a USB cable. If the blinking blue light persists after trying these steps, it's time to contact Anker customer support. Remember that different blinking patterns and colors can indicate specific issues, so note the exact behavior when contacting support. These systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most blinking blue light issues with your Anker charger. Work through them in order for the best results.